Rotary Club of Ikeja, District 9110, has donated this water treatment plant and 4,000 litres tank to Lagos State Model Nursery and Primary School, Olusosun, as part of its service to humanity. President, Rotary Club of Ikeja, Rotarian Benga Badejo, and other Rotarians present said the donation of the water facility is to commemorate the Water and Sanitation Month in the Rotary year calendar.
What we have done is to give them a water treatment plant, flush out the borehole, provide a 4,000 litre tank, and then install a water treatment plant that will ensure that the water can be portable, and that is in furtherance to the ideal, especially the theme for this month, water and sanitation.
Rotary is all about service to humanity. These are the future of our country, the future of whatever we have today. We have to nurture them well. They have to grow healthy.
Cleanliness is nearness to godliness, and for anywhere or any place for anybody to be clean, it must have free access to water. Some of them should pass out of this school, go to the university, and still come back, say, oh, this water was commissioned when I was a student here.
The head teacher of the school, Mrs. Foluwakemi Adelakun, commended the club for donating a water facility that will make life meaningful and easy for the pupils and staff of the school.
We really appreciate the Rotary Club of Ikeja because this water plant project will improve the condition or the situation of our water in this school.
The water plant is very important and essential within our Olusosun community because of the dumping site. It's very difficult to have a potable water, but with the treatment plants, the pupils will be able to have a good water to drink.
Water is life. The water treatment plant and tank will help pupils and teachers of the school practice the act of cleanliness, such as hand washing at all times.